What's up, guys and gals? This is Mark here at your favorite stereo shop, Wired Kustoms Motorsports. We have been waiting on some 3510s from DD Audio. They just came in. We're going to open one up and let you guys look at a quick unboxing of one of these 3510s. Is one of the best 10s in its price bracket, and one of the best 10s, period. The 3510s, the 2508 if you need a smaller one. The 2508 has been the best 8 on the market for a very long time. So let's open her up. One great thing about this brand is they package their stuff well. A lot of manufacturers, I will tell you, they don't spend a lot of money on packaging materials, and that is a big no-no. I'm gonna try this one-handed. It's a pretty heavy speaker, so I might have to briefly put it down. Actually, yeah, let's go ahead and do it, because I know how heavy this speaker is. So, packaged very, very, very well. It's got all this cardboard here. More, look how thick that cardboard is, guys. This company does not play around. I mean, it's packing materials. There she is. And even more packing materials. This isn't important to you, I know, but it's very, very, very important. You don't want a speaker that's been thrown around from the manufacturer and then to the shipping company. You don't want that package to be thrown around, because the parts of what's in it can get screwed up. What's up, Wade? How can I help you? You always interrupt me. Always. Creed just called me and I was doing this, so I didn't answer.
What's a Creed?
You know who Creed is, the customer.
Hold on. Not over there.